welcome to the I-98 Convoy for Kids, once again proudly presented by Citycoast Motorcycles and Yatcon Civil, the FMX Jam. The sun is shining and we have some of the best in the business about to unload on this Yatcon Civil FMX setup. Robbie Maddison, Jake Bowen, Chucky Norris, Tommy Robb, the whole crew, the list goes on. Stick around, check out some of the action because this is FMX in your face. How good's that?
So we're 2017 Illawarra Convoy down here at Croom Road. It's been an amazing week for charity. They've raised over $1.2 million. Boys are throwing down freestyle motocross. We've got Betty and Tommy Richards here, Jake Bowen back out of semi-retirement, but dudes that I grew up riding with and who I really looked up to, like Chucky Norris and Jake. So chill the show. Bushy's throwing down the mic as usual. Boys are ripping in. Last demo's coming out right now.